Engine oil additives enhance lubrication, reduce wear, prevent corrosion, improve performance, and extend engine life. My today's video is about top 5 best engine oil additives that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Liqui Moly Engine Oil Additives. This engine oil additive is a versatile and reliable solution for maintaining and enhancing engine performance. Fully mixable with all commercially available motor oils, it offers seamless compatibility without affecting the oil's properties. Its stability under high thermal and dynamic loads ensures consistent protection, even during long drives, heavy towing, or extreme operating conditions. The additive helps prevent harmful deposits from forming inside the engine, keeping components cleaner and running more efficiently over time. Designed for universal compatibility, it works perfectly with all commonly used filter systems, so you don't need to worry about clogging or reduced filter effectiveness. Additionally, it resists extreme high and low temperatures, providing dependable performance in both scorching summer heat and freezing winter conditions. Overall, this engine oil additive improves lubrication, reduces wear, prevents deposits, and protects your engine across diverse conditions. It's a simple yet effective way to extend engine life, maintain smooth performance, and ensure long-term reliability. Now our second product is Lucas Oil Engine Oil Additives. This synthetic oil additive is a top-tier solution for enhancing engine and transmission performance. Recognized as the world's #1 synthetic additive, it delivers a light, slick formula with exceptional film strength, ensuring long-lasting protection under demanding conditions. It stabilizes oil pressure in modern electronically controlled engines, making it ideal for both import and domestic vehicles that require newer, lighter oils. The additive also protects heavy-duty and high-performance engines, transmissions, and gearboxes, reducing wear, heat, and friction while extending component life. One of its standout benefits is its ability to quiet noisy transmissions and improve overall smoothness and efficiency. With superior resistance to high temperatures and extreme pressures, it maintains consistent performance even under challenging driving conditions, such as towing, racing, or off-road use. Overall, this synthetic oil additive enhances engine longevity, reduces mechanical stress, and boosts performance, making it an essential upgrade for anyone seeking reliability, protection, and peak performance from their vehicle's engine and transmission systems. Our third product is Archoil Engine Oil Additives. The Archoil Stiction Fix is an essential additive for diesel and gasoline engines, particularly effective for 6.0L and 7.3L power stroke engines. It eliminates injector stiction, which often causes cold start misfires, rough idling, and sluggish throttle response, restoring smooth, responsive operation. One 16-ounce bottle is enough to treat a full power stroke oil system, making it highly efficient. Beyond power stroke engines, this formula is compatible with all diesel and gasoline engines, as well as limited slip differentials, gear oils, hydraulic systems, and motorcycles. It reduces friction, enhances throttle response, and improves overall drivability while quietly reducing noise, vibration, and heat under high-load conditions. The additive creates a protective lubricating barrier, minimizing wear and extending component life. It also slows oil degradation, preventing sludge and deposits, which promotes longer oil life and better engine health. Overall, Archoil Stiction Fix is a versatile, high-performance solution that improves engine efficiency, protects vital components, and ensures smoother, quieter, and more reliable operation. Now number 4, Liqui Moly Engine Oil Additives. The Liqui Moly MOS2 Anti-Friction Motor Oil Additive is a high-quality, universal solution designed to enhance engine performance and protection. This 300 ml formula forms a high load-bearing lubricating film on all friction surfaces, significantly reducing metal-to-metal contact and minimizing wear. Once added, the engine runs noticeably smoother and quieter, even at very high RPMs, providing a more controlled and refined driving experience. Drivers will immediately notice improved responsiveness and reduced mechanical noise, making it ideal for both daily commuting and high-performance applications. With a flash point of 181 degrees Celsius, this additive is thermally stable, performing reliably under extreme temperatures and high-stress conditions. Its universal compatibility means it can be used with most conventional and synthetic motor oils, making it a convenient and versatile choice for car owners. Overall, Liqui Moly MOS2 anti-friction additive helps extend engine life, reduce wear, and improve performance, offering a simple yet effective upgrade for any vehicle seeking smoother operation and enhanced protection. And our last choice is Clussbin Engine Oil Additives. The Clussbin Catalytic Converter Cleaner is a powerful and convenient solution for improving engine performance and fuel efficiency. Simply pour it into your fuel tank, and it works to clean and protect the catalytic converter, fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, and cylinder heads. This reduces carbon buildup and keeps fuel and exhaust systems flowing properly, resulting in smoother starts, better drivability, and fewer rough idles or hesitation issues. Ideal for preventative maintenance or minor repairs, it helps restore lost power, improve throttle response, and extend catalytic converter life. Compatible with gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel vehicles, including high-mileage engines over 75,000 miles, it is easy to use with no mechanics required. Its portable size makes it convenient for regular maintenance, and it eliminates concerns about leakage or evaporation. In addition to boosting performance, it reduces fuel consumption by 5-10, lowers emissions, and helps vehicles pass emissions tests. Overall, Clussbin's cleaner enhances efficiency, protects components, and saves on long-term maintenance costs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.